Hi, I'm Jeremy Tesh. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you the main sources for media profiles that you can use to get started with your printer in FireXF. Profiles are essential for ensuring your printer delivers the best possible output, and FireXF supports a wide range of printers to meet your needs. The first source is our online cloud library of profiles found in the Online Profile Updater. To get started, launch Fiery Server Control application. This is your gateway to managing the server directly. Next, click on Fiery Profiles Update. This will open the Profile Update tool, where you can download the profiles you need. Once the application opens, select the model of your printer from the list on the left-hand side. FireXF offers profiles for a variety of supported printers, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. After selecting your printer, you'll see a list of available profiles on the right-hand side. Choose one of the multiple profiles that match your printing needs. Now, click the Download button. This will install the selected media profiles and make them immediately available in your FireXF installation. It's that simple. Your new profiles are ready to use, ensuring accurate and optimized output for your printer. If you don't find profiles in our cloud library, there are a few other options. First, some printers have bi-directional communication that will push profiles into FireXF. FireXF will make equivalent Fiery-specific calibration and profiles for media sets that reside in the printer. This allows you to quickly utilize those media sets without any additional work in FireXF. In a second option, all versions of FireXF now ship with a full suite of color tools that allow you to easily create calibrations and profiles through an easy wizard-based process, including a full profile creation engine, Fiery Color Profiler Suite. This is also the best choice if accuracy is key. Finally, anything that is associated with a specific printer can be captured in a printer environment. You can use this to easily deploy the printer in all of its workflow settings, including all media profiles. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out more of our videos for tips and tutorials on getting the most out of your FireXF system.